Welcome to another catch and cook. This all started with a little evening boat ride, no real fishing planned. And I saw some, what I could only assume was giant porgies on the fish finder, and I decided to give it a whirl. Fishing isn't your thing, you can skip to 5 minutes and 41 seconds for the cook portion of this video. You won't offend me. If not, stick around. I was using a kind of a hand-tied rig with a crippled herring as a weight and two kind of a chicken rig above it. If you want to see that, drop a comment and I'll show you how I tie that up. Alright, enjoy. You'll hear me when we're back at the kitchen.
Apple cinnamons in a row. Whoa. Good day. Pouch.
He's like, no, it's pouch on the boat, Mom.
Exactly. You're a big boy. Anything else over and stuff?
I mean, he loves some popcorn.
Huh?
You packed the popcorn, right?
I did, but I gotta use hand sanitizer because it's cold stuff and stuff.
Yeah.
What's that? We're gonna do some hand sanitizer and then we can have some popcorn, okay? Want some popcorn? Your favorite boat snack? Yeah. Boat snack.
Porgy.
Porgy, excuse me.
Porgy's bait. Well, people use these for bait too, but. Do you want your rod? You want Spidey?
Very upset with you.
Yeah. Bubba's, it's not a big deal. I don't know what I have here, babe. I think it's 2. Well, it's just another monster scup. Look at the size of this one.
Yeah. Whoa.
He choked that thing down too. That might be my biggest scup ever.
Yeah, I'd say.
Holy smokes. Whoa. Looks like a snapper.
There's no more.
Yikes. You might have to eat this guy.
Huh?
So you might have to eat this guy.
That's fine. We're going right home, so it's not that little. Alright. You had 3 pouches. You're okay. I've never given you.
He may be alright.
What?
I think I'm gonna let him go.
Why?
I got him out safely.
keep them because it's the biggest fish you ever got?
I like to let the big ones go. Maybe he'll be a world record scup someday. 16 inch scup. Holy crap. You're a mama. Bye, mama. Oh, never mind, he's bleeding. Hi, mama. Welcome to my kitchen. Welcome to my kitchen indeed. Alright, so we're going to start out with making the rum pineapple glaze. We're going to do some pineapple juice, some cornstarch to help thicken it, lime juice, and of course the rum. I'm going to whisk that into a bowl and throw it over medium-high heat. I'm going to reduce that, simmer it down to, well, about this consistency. Actually, probably a little thicker. When that went over the fish, it was a little bit thicker than that after it sat for a few minutes. Alright, so we're going to first dredge our fish into some flour seasoned with Old Bay. Put that into some egg wash, and then into our coconut, our shredded coconut. That is the sugared coconut. I would prefer the unsugared for this, but they didn't have that at the store. My son likes to
cooking like Daddy?
pretend cook when I'm cooking.
What you making? Some glazed carrots?
Alright, so we're going to drop those into the oil. You see me do it there. When you put it down, make sure you put it down away from you. You don't get splashed on with hot oil. This fish does not take long to cook. A few minutes tops. Top that with that delicious sauce. You can see it's a little thicker here. Let's try this bad boy. Taste of the sauce. It is absolutely delicious. That's good. Wow. Sweetened fish doesn't always come to mind for me, but that's really good. That is absolutely delicious. The scup is super firm texture. Super firm. Almost like a tautog. Almost as firm as a tautog. Absolutely delicious. If I were to do this again, which I will, I would get unsweetened coconut flakes. And yeah, absolutely delicious. 2 thumbs up. Hey, must you be so loud? Say hi. Can you wave? Wave to the camera. You're just gonna laugh at it? There you go. That's almost a wave. Lucy's here too. Say hi, Lulu. Lulu. Lulu, you wanna try a piece of fish? Try a piece of fish, sit. Can you wave? Wave. Wave to the camera. Wave. Alright. Easy. What do you think? Good? Alright. Lucy approved. Alright, I'm going to sign off here. This is a quick one. Just wanted to show that you can have a lot of fun, catch your own food, and have a good family outing. Not a lot of time, not a lot of money. Don't overlook those trash fish. Alright, have a good one. God bless, tight lines. And don't forget to like and subscribe.